For this video, I'm going to download Pro and Premium. If you're using Enterprise, you would also download Enterprise. If you're using Scheduler or ODTK, you would just click them here. We also, further down, have the Linux tools. So if you're running Linux, just download this version. And anyway, I'm just going to open Pro and Premium in a new tab, and it will start the download process. And I'll get back to you when it's done downloading. Okay, as you can see, we now have our downloads downloaded, and we're going to go to our downloads page and unzip our folders. So we're going to start with Pro, extract all, and then I'm going to do the same with Premium, and I'll get back to you when that's done. So as you can see, our files are now unzipped, so we're going to begin the installation. So to do that, you're going to open your unzipped file, open SDK, and run the installer. Yes, and as I said, you might need to temporarily disable your antivirus. Make sure if you don't already have it, you will need the Ansys License Manager in order to run SDK or ODTK. So make sure to install this if you don't already have it. Also, you can add all of the other things that you might want with your install. So it's going to install everything. We just agree, install it to program files wherever the default is, unless you have a special place you want to put it, and it'll start installing. So now we're just going to hit finish on our installer. It's going to finish up and it'll open the Ansys installation launcher. This is where we're going to install our Ansys License Manager. So click Install Ansys License Manager. You're going to get the same installer process. Click through and install it. It'll install it to the program files. I'm probably going to get an error because I already have Ansys License Manager, but I will get back to you when it's done. All right, we're back and the License Manager is done installing. We just hit next. As I said, there's a bit of an error, but that's no issue. You're not going to get that error. And when you exit, it'll open up Ansys License Manager. We're not going to do the license configuration just yet, but as you can see, we have SDK. If you try to run it, you're going to get an error because your licenses aren't configured. So we're going to configure our licenses, and then once you've configured your license, you can go through and install all of the other software you want. Urban Propagation, Tyrum, all of the premium modules. As you can see, that's the error I was talking about. And if you have Enterprise, all your Enterprise modules, just install everything. And yeah, I'll get back to you with another video on how to set up the licenses next.